And we want to dive in deeper. Now the Earth is obviously shaking, but is it the force of nature that is risking us, or human nature in the form of poor infrastructure? Professor Lev Appelbaum from the Department of Geophysics from the Tel Aviv University is joining us now as we're asking, is the writing of the next disaster already on the wall? Professor, is the next catastrophe just a matter of time?
You see, it's a main problem of seismology. Are the earthquakes predictable? Till the present time, the problem is not yet solved completely. We have a lot of precursor based on the measuring of the seismic velocities, based on the measuring of microgravity anomalies, based on the measurement of magnetic field, of electric field, of gas radon field, of the behavior of animals, of the changing the levels of water in wells. We have a lot of possible prediction, but we have no till the present time the reliable set of precursors.
So earthquakes cannot be fully predicted and as a consequence cannot be fully prevented?
You see, so that it can be predicted, but for the long time. If the people want to have 100% reliability with delay, with accuracy of a few minutes, really geophysics can receive about 25% accuracy with about a few months, maybe years. So we know the dangerous place, but we cannot concretely know the time.
But Professor Appelbaum, in this scope and scale of intensity, is little improvement of infrastructure beneficial at all? Will it make any difference in the moment of truth?
You see, what happened in Turkey is very strange. We have, by the statistical data, we know that in the world, we have about 10 earthquakes with magnitude between the 7 and 8. 10 events in the year, 1 year in the world. Now we have combination of two very strong earthquakes at the same time, at the same region. You see, it's very strange. Besides this, we have systems that we have a lot of aftershock, about 100, also with higher intensity. And each event we can consider as a separate earthquake with a magnitude about 6.0, 6.7, many earthquakes with a magnitude about 5.0 and plus. So it's very difficult. We can say now about what we can do. We can reinforce building. We can create new seismological stable buildings, but no more.
Yeah. So not much to do. And hopefully we will not have to face such tragedies anytime soon. Our senior producer, Natasha Shurgatova, is updating us that the death toll is now over 3,000 people, and unfortunately, and counting. Professor Lev Appelbaum from the Department of Geophysics at the Tel Aviv University, thank you very much for your time and insight, sir. We appreciate it, Professor.